Namaste from this side to that. Welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in design, then you are at the right place. In this channel, I discuss anything and everything related to design. And our today's topic covers 5 basic design terms that every graphic designer should know. So without any further ado, let's get started. Our first term is Gestalt principles. Gestalt principles are fundamental in the world of design. These principles help us understand how our brains perceive and interpret visual information. The law of proximity groups elements close together. The law of similarity groups similar elements. The law of closure allows our brains to complete shapes. The law of continuity guides the viewer's eye with smooth lines. The law of common fate unites elements moving in the same direction. By applying these principles, designers can create visually engaging and effective designs that communicate messages with clarity and impact. Our next term is a real gem in the world of design: semiotics. Semiotics is the study of signs and symbols and how we interpret them. Think of it as the secret language of design. It's all about understanding the meanings behind the visual elements we use. Consider an everyday example: a red stop sign. It's not just a red octagon. It's a symbol that instantly communicates stop without words. Understanding semiotics empowers us to choose the right colors, shapes, and images to evoke the desired response from our viewers. It's a potent tool for effective visual communication. Next up is golden ratio. In the world of design, there is a timeless secret known as the golden ratio. It's a mathematical proportion often represented as the number 5, approximately equal to 1.618. The ratio is found in nature, art, and architecture, and is renowned for its aesthetic appeal. Designers use the golden ratio to create visually pleasing compositions by applying its harmonious proportions to elements such as layout, typography, and images. It's a tool that enhances balance and beauty in design, making it an essential concept in any designer's toolkit. Next up is visual rhythm. Visual rhythm in design is like a carefully orchestrated dance of elements on the canvas. It's the art of creating movement, balance, and a sense of flow within your composition. Whether through the repetition of shapes, colors, or the deliberate arrangement of visual elements, visual rhythm adds a beat to your design that captures the viewer's attention and guides their gaze. Just like in music, it can be fast and energetic or slow and calming, allowing you to convey different moods and messages in your visuals. Mastering the concept of visual rhythm empowers designers to create engaging and harmonious designs that keep the audience captivated. Next term in the list is aesthetic empathy. Aesthetic empathy is the art of designing with a deep understanding of your audience preferences and emotions. It's about tuning into the unique aesthetic sensibilities and cultural nuances of your target audience, allowing you to create visuals that resonate on a personal and emotional level. For instance, a designer creating a website for a healthcare organization should consider the serene and soothing color palettes, as opposed to vibrant, energetic choices suitable for a music festival site. Aesthetic empathy is indispensable because it enables designers to bridge the gap between their creativity and the audience expectations, ultimately delivering more impactful and relatable designs that not only appeal to the eye but also touch the heart, forging a genuine connection. Next term that we'll look into is negative space. Often called white space, is the unoccupied area around and between design elements. It's not just empty space, it's a powerful design tool. By artfully utilizing negative space, you create balance, clarity, and focus in your designs. It allows your content to breathe, helping viewers or users navigate and interpret your work more easily. Negative space isn't passive, it's an active participant in design, enabling the main elements to shine and enhancing overall aesthetics. So remember, in the world of graphic design, what you don't see can be just as important as what you do see. And that's all, folks, for today's video. I hope you found the content helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe and use the comment section to share your thoughts about this video and the content that I have shared so far. Hasta la vista, Chiro.